In this video, we're going to look into the Microsoft Fara 1.5, which is the new automation model. So this is the new computer use AI agent, which is developed by Microsoft's AI frontier. So unlike a normal AI model that simply answers your question, Fara is designed to actually use a web browser and complete tasks for you. So it's more like a browser. So for example, if you give it a task that requires searching the web or navigating websites or filling out forms or even clicking buttons or typing information, everything, you can just give this for the Fara to do it. It'll get it done for you. So while Fara looks at the browser through screenshots, similar to how a human would look at computer screen, and then it decides which action to take next, whether clicking a specific location or typing text or scrolling, it decides. So the 27B version is the largest model in the 1.5 family. It is built by fine-tuning Queen 3.5 27B using data generated through Microsoft's Fara 1.5 training pipeline, which is pretty cool. So what's more interesting is that it's a browser automation firstly. So its app can perform multiple step or multi-step task inside a web browser. Okay, and also it's a vision-based computer use. So it doesn't rely on websites DOM or accessibility, and also it has a strong browser performances. So according to Microsoft's research, the Fara 1.5 achieves 72% online mine web benchmark, which Microsoft says it's competitive with larger proprietary computer use systems. And also there is another one big advantage is that it's open weight. So Microsoft says that the Fara 1.5 waits on Hugging Face under the MIT license. So you can simply access it through Hugging Face under the name, Fara 1.5 27B. You can download the model and run it using tools like Transformers or, LLM and stuff. So you can try and use that. It's interesting because it represents a shift from AI that simply generates answers to an AI that can actually take actions on a computer. So you can try and give it a go.